Yeah, do it.
So, you better get some more meat on you. So it's on the way I carry at work, you wouldn't even be able to pick it up. I pick up head buckets which weigh about 60 kilos.
Yeah, I'm not much of a lift.
Sometimes I have to move breakers around which weighs about 100 kilos.
Fair enough.
Well, I'll just pick up one end and drag it.
Go on, they need you up there.
Oh, I feel like school.
Go on, they need you up.
Go on, Charlie, go on, come on, Will.
Come on, Will, come on, Will, come on, Will.
Carry holding it up. I wasn't even able to just put it back.
Between.
There you go, Will, just got Charlie right between the cheeks for you. And I wasn't really aiming. I want to play in the snow. So that'd be great fun. Sometimes I don't care walking through the puddles.
Yeah, no, I got real wet yesterday, like sodding some of it. Gone to find these are my brother's boots.
Oh yeah, I thought that was just gone through. No, just gone through my. Oh well, it's only water.
Yeah.
Let it dry off. So you're doing it better than driver wood, are you?
Never been.
Oh, you've never been driver wood?
No, wait, I went once. But it feels so different. And it's like, doesn't have much community, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Kind of just... I don't know, it feels like a birthday party place, you know?
Yeah.
There's a side.
There they walk around that bit. I haven't played there.
Yeah,
I haven't.
I've
Oh, well, that's a perfect shot. So... That was a perfect shot. So I've been bending over. Even when you see a bird bending over, thinking, Oh, that's a perfect shot.
You alright, Ghost Rider?
Yep.
It basically, it just makes it so your first shot is better. Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you.
Oh, I haven't.
This is absolutely fine, but then in my other gun, it's only
Right away out. I do want to get a match now.
Yes, guys, red team, you're going to be following me down the hill. Red team down the hill. Ready, stay, come on.
I might try and get him made.
I've only got one left so far. I only got one on left so far. I can use more and I just
Well, you're sitting there defending, aren't you? You're trying to push things.
Yeah,
Okay.
attacking. One person on one side of the field. Instead of
Yeah, exactly.
Reg, down there. Go down the hill.
Right in between the butts.
I wasn't even aiming. I'm trying to do centre mass.
Good luck.
Oh yeah. Reg,
Do tego z flagą.
down the hill.
I wracasz na mną.
Mam nieskończone życie.
To nie jest jakby karabin, tylko jakby bliżej. Angielsko SMG. Albo P90.
Chodźcie, przejdziemy na tamtą stronę, bo idziemy na tamtą stronę czaków, munych. Nie, miejsca. Run in, man.
Reg, down. Blues up here, red's down there. The blues up here.
Fred, stop being a naughty boy.
No, we don't have to.
I've got to go back.
Don't worry, I shot a marshal right between the cheeks. At least right between the cheeks.
I shot a marshal once by accident, but then I started hiding and he didn't see me.
Charlie, I shot him literally right in between the cheeks.
Seth, the marshal might have a spare one, he's got a box.
The reflector playing up, is it?
What, sir?
The reflector playing up.
Yeah.
Don't send it to negative because he won't work with reflectors. Don't like him.
I mean, literally, they're going to just spray the centre. So we just get to a barrier where we can't do it.
He serviced this one, he didn't do the building, he serviced it, he loved it. All you had to do replace it is replace top unit and barrel, that's it. But now my gun ticket's at the army down in Bogner.
Okay guys, where do we want to push? Because we haven't decided yet. There's 5 positions.
I know where I'm going.
Left, centre, left, centre. Yeah, but I want to push from a certain angle.
I'm going left.
Left.
Are we sticking together? Yeah, try to.
Okay guys, just push left. Ghost Riders, push left. Let's push left.